Hello, I'm back. So today we're going to talk about the area of a parallelogram. Let's look at this parallelogram. A, 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 A. This is called the base length, and this is called the height. What is the definition of the height? Is a line that joins both of the base length and it's perpendicular or form a right angle. Usually form a right angle with the base length. That's the definition of the height of a parallelogram. So how do we find the area of this thing? Well, we have to do a little bit of transforming thinking. This is a very important concept in math. When you can't deal with a new concept and it's similar to the original old concept, you can transform the new concept into the original old concept and use the old method to figure out new things. That's a very important thinking. You have to get this type of thinking. We already know the area, how to find the area of a rectangle, but we don't know about parallelogram. Easy. Look at this shaded blue section. This is a triangle, isn't it? And then we can cut this triangle and shift it to the left, shifting, and then we put it there. Bam! We get a rectangle. And what is the length of the rectangle? It's the face length of the parallelogram. What is the width of the rectangle? It's the height of the parallelogram. And what's the area for rectangle? It's length times width. That means it's the same as base times height, which provide you the formula for a parallelogram. So the area of parallelogram is calculated by base times height. And if this height is not given to you directly, but this section is given to you, or you can use right angle trick to figure out the height. You see? Okay, see you in the next video.